Ciao everyone, my name is Michele D'Amelio, corporate chef of Capuro Flour and Ciao Tomato in the United States. Today I want to show you how to make tomato sauce with meatballs. I'm going to use our whole peel Italian tomato in a heavy juice, packaged in a heavy juice. I'm going to use the large can, but you can find the 28 ounces small can on Amazon. You can find them in Italian stores, or find us on orlandofoods.com and we will direct you where you can find our tomato. Let's go to open the cans and crush the tomato. Okay, here we have tomato, then I crushed already, and I didn't add salt yet. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the flame on the stove, and we're gonna wait and this turn hot, and once it's getting hot we're gonna add oil and garlic. Here we're adding some oil. Make sure there's enough on the bottom. And we add 2 cloves of garlic. Once the oil is getting hot, we can now add the tomato sauce. And we're going to leave the tomato in the pot for approximately 30 to 40 minutes with a medium-low flame. Now then the tomato is on the flame, we are going to prep the meatballs. Okay, next step is with ingredients. We have 500 grams of ground beef. Next is 100 grams of sweet Italian sausage. We have 100 grams of bread soaked with milk. Some people use also water, but I prefer milk because give a lot more flavor. Next will be 2 small eggs or 1 large egg, 20 grams of parsley, and 1 or 2 small cloves of garlic. And we're gonna add some salt and some black pepper. Let's mix all the ingredients together. Okay, that's the process to make the meatballs. Get a bowl. Let's add all the beef. We add the sausage. We add the bread, soaked with milk, all the parmigiano, parsley, chop the garlic. Let's add the eggs. One, 2, pinch of salt, black pepper, and now let's mix all together. Okay, after a few minutes of mixing, that will be the result. All the ingredients are really well mixed together, and now we let it sit just for 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna always looking and stirring our tomato so make sure it doesn't stick on the bottom, and we're going to form the meatballs. Okay, now it's time to form the meatballs. I usually am going to form a small meatballs, but you can do your own desired size. Okay, now it's time to go cook the meatballs in a pan. Okay, now it's time to add oil in the pan for the meatballs. I usually get the bottom of the pan full of oil, and let's get the fire start, and when it's hot we're going to start frying the meatballs. Oil is hot, ready to fry the meatball. We let it cook till we get not totally done, because they were going in tomato sauce. So we cook the meatballs till they get a really brown, nice color on the outside. In the meantime, we were still turning the meatballs. We always stirring our tomato and still cooking. Okay, the last few meatballs are cooked, and now I'm ready to take out. Let it drain on a paper, and we're going to drop those in our Ciao tomato sauce, and you slowly cook it. Develop a lot of flavor, and they will be ready to get the meatballs right now. The last meatball is out. There we go. Take the hot oil out. Wait. Voila. And here is our tomato. It's very, very thick. Okay, now meatballs are going inside the sauce. Okay, now then we have all the meatballs inside. We let it sit for another 30 to 40 minutes or even longer. Always on the low flame, and we still need to get now osmosis flavor from tomato with the meatballs, and soon you'll be able to eat those. Now I'm actually going to add some fresh basil to get really fresh Italian smell in the house. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Alright, see you shortly. Okay, after 1 hour of cooking meatballs in the sauce on a low flame, that's the result. Tomato sauce gets really a lot of flavor from the meatballs, and the meatballs getting more juicy and flavorly from tomato sauce. Okay, finally meatballs are ready to eat, and I'm gonna have one. They're so good. The tomato sauce is so rich in flavor. Amazing. Now it's your turn to make your tomato sauce meatballs with Ciao. Let me know if you like the recipe. Ciao.